Once again, good morning, candidates. Okay, this will be our assessment area. Like what I've said a while ago, you will undergo a national certificate assessment in food processing NC2, in which you are going to perform salting and curing. So, I am assigning you as a candidate number 1 and you as a candidate number 2. Now, I have here with me the assessment instruction. Will serve as your guide in performing the activity. Kindly read the instruction. Okay, candidate, do you understand the instruction?
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you have any question? Because once the assessment begins, I will no longer entertain any queries. So, do you have any question? Okay. In that the case, you may now begin, and please be informed that both of you will undergo oral questioning after you accomplish the activity. So, start with the solving process. Okay? Are you done, candidates?
Yes po.
Now, you will now proceed to the next activity. Okay, congratulations, candidate number 1. You may now leave the assessment area, and I call you later for the oral questioning. Okay, candidate number 2, you only have 5 minutes to accomplish the task. Okay, time's up. I'm sorry, candidate number 2, you did not meet the requirements. So, here is your question, candidate number 1. What are the benefits of curing?
Curing is the process of adding certain preservation in the fish product. This may include soy sauce, pineapple juice, pepper, and other seasoning. Those curing not just help to prolong the shelf life of fish product but also adds additional flavor on it.
Okay, very well said. For you, candidate number 2, why wearing PPE is important?
So PPE is our personal protective equipment. It's important to us or for us to avoid getting injuries while performing the task.
Okay, very good. For my feedback, I would like to congratulate candidate number 1 for completing the assessment. Meanwhile, candidate number 2 did not meet all the required activities, but don't you will receive COC as a recognition of the task you have performed, and you can still apply for reassessment.